no smoke with me. Been turn this up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another collective haul for you guys. As you know, it's my favourite thing to film because I just can't stop shopping. And this is a collective haul from the past month because I've been so busy with my lash launch and everything that I haven't had a chance to open anything. So I thought what better time than to film this video and open it with you guys and film a little try on haul. So that's what I'm doing today. I have things for my normal PrettyLittleThing, Missy Empire, MissPap, and then also I have two really exciting deliveries that came from Meshkey and Bad Society Club. I've been trying to get my hands on these for so long and it's just been sold out and everything, so I'm so excited that I finally have, and I can't wait to try it all on for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back next Monday with a brand new video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So I'm going to start by opening my Missy Empire package, and I actually already opened this because I ordered some masks and I wanted to wear them, so I just basically have already used those. But I got these blue trackies, which I've been wanting to get for so long. Because basically I have this other pair of blue trackies from PrettyLittleThing, but I just really don't like the fit of them. So I thought I'd look for a better pair. Just like baby blue and a kind of like, not acid wash, but a kind of like that kind of vibe. So I got these in a size 6 and I love the fit and the colour and everything. It's super soft and comfy. And then the other thing is just like this mask. Let me open it for you guys. It's just like the cute, I really like the material. I'm not sure what material it is, but like really nice and stretchy. And I just prefer these to the disposable ones because they just look cuter. And my next delivery is from MissPap. Cute little thing. What did I actually get from here? I don't even remember. Ooh, actually I got some super cute things from here. So basically I saw this really cute cord that I just had to get my hands on. So I did. It's this really cute little crop top. And the detailing is like kind of like that, like corsety. I don't know how to explain it really, but that's what that is. I think I got these in a size 6. And these, I don't know if you can see that like detailing on the front. It's kind of like a boxer short kind of, like that's the only way I can describe it. And it's called the Ribbed Gusset Detail Rib Leggings in a size 6. And yeah. I got both of these in a size 6 again, and I love the fit and the detailing of both pieces. It was definitely thinner than I expected, but it was still really cute. And my next thing is from PrettyLittleThing. I really don't remember what this is, honestly. I actually have 2 deliveries from PrettyLittleThing. So I have next day delivery. If I forget something, I'll just order it again. What should I open first, the big one or the small one? I'm gonna open the small one. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I love this colour because basically I bought these other brown joggers and they're just not the right colour. This is like a chocolate brown. The other one was like, kind of looked like burgundy. I just did not like that at all. I got these in a size 6 too, and I absolutely love the colour and the fit and just the overall quality of these. They're really nice and just soft. Oh, okay. I'm remembering a little. Wow, this is really neon. Okay, I got this like orange neon crop top. God alone knows what I'm gonna wear that with because I don't really think like orange, but wow, like this I don't think is too. Okay, there we go. Look at that colour. Bright as hell, but cute. I thought just maybe with like black joggers. Oh wow, I really wanted to be a highlighter, clearly. Can't miss me in that. So I got this in a size 6 too, but it was slightly tight because of the material, so I suggest going a size up with this one. But I really like the colour, it's different to anything else that I have. So you're about to get a little halftime performance to entertain you guys, because filming can get long and you just gotta have some fun with it. Pro before, I know they hope before, but tell them winning is my motherfucking protocol, cause I score before I ever throw the ball. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. Okay, I forgot about all of these things. Yay, cuteness. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so it's this crop top and it's like cinched at the like sides, and then it's a kind of like racer back, racer front cut here. It says new wave. Oh my god, I love this and I can't wait to wear it with like my pink joggers. So I got this top in a size 6 too, and I absolutely love it. I love the different tones of pink and the cinch detailing down the side, and I can't wait to wear it. This is just a green, like olive khaki racer back top with joggery leggings. The colour, so cute little cord. So I got this sage green coat and it's super chilled and comfy to lounge around in, and I love the colour. And this is a dress. Cute. Okay, so it's just kind of this acid wash print dress, and the front's like cinched. Oh my god, wait, it's ripped. What the heck? It's like ripped here, can you see that? Not cute, guys. I'm not gonna send it back unless I don't like it, because it is quite cute. So I got this dress in a size 6 too, and it's super flattering in real life. I love the colour palette in the tie-dye, and my grandma's an angel and managed to fix the hole so it's good as new. Okay, and the next thing, I think these are pyjamas. Oh yeah, cute, a little pyjama set. There are these silk shorts, and this like leopard print, and this like short sleeved button up shirt, which I thought was cute. Which now I'm kind of annoyed that I got these, because now it's started to get really cold. I'm like, I need to literally sleep in like long sleeves, even though I don't like to, but like, I get so cold. So I got these in a size 6 too, and I'm just obsessed with satin pyjamas at the moment, so I really like them, and they were just super soft and comfy. Okay, so now I have my most exciting packages, and this one's from Meshkey, and it says 99 problems but my outfit ain't one, and that's on period. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So basically, growing up, like Juicy Couture Juicy Couture tracksuits used to be my favourite things ever, and I saw this like baby blue velour tracksuit on Meshkey, and it just literally reminded me exactly of that, and I had to get my hands on these. It was just my like reward for, you know, how hard I've been working for me to myself. Hope it fits well. Oh my god, how cute! The like tag is this little like old school phone, and it says Meshkey calling. Oh my god, that is really, really cute. So these are these just baby blue velour tracksuit bottoms even, and the back says peachy in like diamantes. And the jumper, oh my goodness, I'm so excited for these. Oh my god, it's even cuter than I thought. Wow. Okay, so it doesn't have a hood, but that's fine. Cute diamantes, and the back says obviously in diamantes again. So it's obviously peachy, and again, that's on period. So I got these both in an extra small, and I absolutely love this set because of all the diamond detailing and the colour, and it just gave me major like old school vibes, and it's super comfy too, and I can't wait to wear it. For my actual most exciting package, which I really hope fits me well, because if not it's going to be such a heartbreak, because I've honestly been trying to get my hands on this for like, I can't even tell you how long, like months, and it just, one time I'd actually set like the reminder, like to get the email reminder, and even as soon as I went on it, like it was sold out. And it's from Bad Society Club, and it says, "We don't aim to fit in, we aim to stand out. Join the Bad Society Club." And it's just super cute, and this is what I've been waiting for. So it's like the brown one, and it's like the cinched like thingy top. Luxury quality and fit over everything, which I love. Yay. Okay, so I got these in a size extra small, and oh my god, I love it. So it's like got this thing that says bad down the front. I think this is about like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to check the prices and like put them down below. And now these are the only things that I was a bit hesitant on, just because I saw the like fit of the bottom. Yeah, okay. I'll have to see about this. Like it looks really cute on models, and honestly everybody that I've seen wear it, and yeah, so I can't wait to try that on. So I got these both in an extra small too, and I absolutely love this set. It was just so worth the wait. The material was a little bit thinner than I expected, but it was still really good quality. And the order came with this cute little certificate of authenticity card where they state that a percentage of orders go to less fortunate children in Jamaica and St. Lucia, which just makes it so much more worth it. So that was everything. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have everything linked below as usual. And yeah, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday with a brand new video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Chefs, 'cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm